Last class we started with that intro part for transfer of property. Now related to that, right, like we discussed about conditions for valid transfer. So related to that we have same, like some provisions are similar, so we'll study that part. Now that same section, right, section 54, apart from providing for definition, it also mentions how sale can be done. So how sale will be effected. Section 54 also lays down the manner in which sale of immovable property will be done or it will take place. In case of tangible immovable property. So what is tangible and intangible? You are aware, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in case of tangible immovable property, something that we can see, touch or feel, those properties of value rupees 100 or upwards. In case it was like lesser than 100 rupees, it would be registration is not compulsory. But if it's above 100 rupees, basically for everything we have this registration process, right? So registration will be needed. So process that is mentioned is that if it is tangible immovable property, value is 100 or above rupees, then in that case, how transfer will take place? It will take place through registration or reversion or any other tangible property. So reversion is like if an owner is giving rights to another one, then he has a, like in case of mortgage and all, right? Owner would be giving his rights to someone, but owner will have this right of reversion, right? In case I'm paying the money, I can again get back my property. In case of mortgage, this would apply reversion. So that would also take place, reversion or any other intangible thing. A scale can be made only for, a sale can be made only by registered instrument. So registration would be needed. Through registered instrument only we can get it done. In case it is lesser than 100 rupees, then it's optional. If you want, you can get the registration done. Otherwise, simply through delivery also you can get the property transferred. So section 54 provides for definition. What is sale? Transfer of property from one person to another. Consideration is always in terms of price only. It cannot be kind. It would only be in terms of money, whether partly paid or completely paid, partly promised or completely promised. How it can be done? Above 100 rupees, 100 or above rupees, registration is compulsory. Less than that, it's optional. If you want, you can through delivery also you can get the property transfer. Otherwise, if the parties feel like registering it, they can get that done as well.